Welcome to one of the world's most advanced aircraft manufacturing facilities. Here, Boeing engineers and technicians assemble commercial airplanes that connect people across the globe. Each aircraft is built through a carefully coordinated process, where thousands of precisely manufactured components come together with exceptional engineering accuracy.
Highly skilled specialists perform detailed assembly and inspections to ensure every system meets rigorous aerospace manufacturing standards. As major structures are joined together, the aircraft begins to take its final form through meticulous alignment and integration. Before delivery, every airplane undergoes extensive inspections. This system testing verifies that it meets strict safety and performance requirements.
From advanced engineering to careful craftsmanship, every Boeing aircraft represents the combined effort of thousands of people toward a common goal: building airplanes for global aviation.